Hey Cacher, Derek here, Big Six Clan. Today we're going to be using LEDs again, and we're going to be making another modification of an LED decipherer. Let's get started. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool LED decipher element for a cache that uses a combination lock that you want to be able to get into. But it doesn't have to be really difficult for them to figure out, and it doesn't have to be really difficult for you to make. Now, I'm going to kind of do this one as a holiday themed style, because I had a viewer a couple weeks back say, hey, could you do a holiday themed gadgety type style cache? And I said, yeah, I can. That'd be kind of fun. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be making this, taking this board here, and I'm going to make it into a holiday themed shape, and then I'm going to add the different LEDs into it. But first off, I need to cut this into shape and put the holes in for the LEDs. So let me get that going. All right, so now it's cut out and the holes are in, and yep, it's a Christmas tree, but doesn't look like a Christmas tree all that much yet because I need to go back and paint it. So let's get this painted and decorate it and make it look like a Christmas tree before I put the LEDs in. All right, so now my Christmas tree is painted. It's got some ornaments. It's got a little bit of snow on the branches, but it doesn't have any lights in it to make it a true Christmas tree. So what I'm gonna do is come in and put in the LEDs and wire it all together, and then I'll explain to you how this is a decipher. Alright, so now I've got the Christmas tree is all lit up with the different color LEDs, and it just is running off of a simple 9-volt battery, which I would probably require the cache finder to bring the 9-volt to power it up. But you could do it with like a reed switch or any other type of aspect if you didn't want them to have to bring a battery. Now you're asking, well, how would they determine the combination? Well, the number of numbers that you would have in that combination, whether it's a 3 or a 4-digit combination lock, would determine how many different colors of the LEDs you have. And the number of the actual number on the combination would determine how many of that certain color LED that you have would determine that number on there. So, for instance, I have one white one, so that would be a 1. I have 4 green, so that's a 4, and so forth. And that's just this really simple way of doing a LED decipher. Now, you don't have to do this as a holiday theme. You can do this as whatever you want to do. But this is just a fun way to do a holiday themed element at this time of the season. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know if this is something that you would do in one of your caches, or what you would do with this type of LED decipher. Hope you enjoyed it. Once again, leave me a comment down below, but don't go anywhere. Go check out one of these videos just right over here and find the story behind the cache.